Adjective clause. Adjective clauses have a subject and a verb, or predicate. They will start with a relative pronoun like that, who, whom, whose, or which, or a relative adverb like why, where, or when. Adjective clauses function as an adjective and modify nouns and pronouns. They are also called relative clauses. Just as the other dependent clauses, the adjective clause does not express a complete thought. It does not need commas separating it from the rest of the sentence. If it has essential information in it, that is, if you need the information it provides. If it gives additional information, then you use commas. A good way to test for this is to leave out the clause. Read the sentence and see if the meaning of the two sentences is different. Here are some examples of adjective clauses. Example number 1. Chocolate, which many of us adore, is fattening. The adjective clause is which many of us adore. Number 2. People who are smart follow the rules. The adjective clause is who are smart. Number 3. I can remember the time when there were no computers. The adjective clause is when there were no computers. Number 4. Charlie has a friend whose daughter lives in China. The adjective clause is whose daughter lives in China. Number 5. Wine that is produced in Tuscany is not cheap. The adjective clause is that is produced.